So consider this problem statement here, that is the sum of all real values of x satisfying the equation, that is x square minus 5x plus 5, and in the power we are having in the exponent x square plus 4x minus 60, that is equal to 1. Now proceeding towards the solution. So the first statement that I can generate from this one is, that is this base that is x square minus 5x plus 5. So let us say this is non-zero, that is not equal to 0, and at the same time this exponent this exponent is, let's say, 0. So in this case we can get a 1 over here, right? Now in the next step, another possibility is that this base is equal to 1. So this is the next possibility, and the other possibility is that we can have this part as negative 1, that is the base part as negative 1, and this part, that is the exponent x square plus 4x minus 60, that is equal to n, and on n we have a constant that n is even. So that is n when divided by 2, the remainder is 0, and here definitely n belongs to the set of integers, n belongs to the set of integers. Now we are having this, right? So let us consider all of these cases and solve each of this part by part. So now from this you can observe that when this x square plus 4x minus 60, that is equal to 0. So if I solve this equation for x, I will be getting here negative 10 as one of the root and 6 as one of the root, right? Now considering the next statement, that is statement q, when x square minus 5x plus 5, that is equal to 1. So on solving this equation, that is x square minus 5x plus 5, so on solving this part we can get this one as x minus 4 times x minus 1, and this can be written equal to 0, right? No, there is some mistake over here, just let me check once. Yes, so in this part this is equal to 1, so on subtracting 1 on both sides I will be getting 4 here, and this is equal to 0. So now I can write this part as x minus 1 times x minus 4. So now this should be clear, right? So from this we can say that x belongs to the set, that is 1 and 4. So these are the two roots which will satisfy this given equation. Now considering the next statement as r. Now proceeding with this, so from this we can say that on solving this part, that is x square minus 5x plus 5, that is equal to negative 1. On resolving this one I can say x square minus 5x and adding 1 on both the sides, this will be plus 6, that is equal to 0, and this is very well known quadratic. So x will belong to the set 2 and 3. So x can accept the value of 2 and 3. Now let us check. So when my x is equal to 2, so for this expression, that is x square plus 4x and then minus 60, on substituting this 2 over here, this will result in negative 48. And if you check here, negative 48 when divided by 2, the remainder is indeed 0. So therefore this x equal to 2, the value 2 is acceptable over here, right? Now when x is equal to 3, so in that case the expression, that is x square plus 4x minus 60, on substitution of this 3, this will result in negative 39. So here we can check this fact very well, that is negative 39 when divided by 2, the remainder is definitely not equal to 0. So from this we can say, hence the sum of all real values of x which are acceptable are negative 10 and 6. So you can see here negative 10 and 6. Then the next that is acceptable is 1 and 4. So that is plus 1 plus 4, and among these 2 and 3, here only 2 is acceptable, right? So here I will add 2. On solving this we get the answer as 3. So therefore the sum that is expected here or that is demanded here is 3, and hence the answer to this problem statement.